right? So with the sonar, we're building that 3D image. And right off the bat, it's already telling us you have a little unleveling on the shoulders. And so same thing, hands overhead, good. And then go down to 3-second count and go ahead. And then back up, good. Look pretty good. Let that sink in there. A little closer, right here, this one. Let that rotate. There we go. Doing all right? Good. All right, this side up, face me. Way on that left, good. Bend this knee. Tuck that hip towards me. There we go. Drop that down. Give me this hand. Pull you off your shoulder. There you go. Hold right there. Let that knee drop down. There it is. Good. Other side. Doing okay?
Yeah,
feeling good?
That shit look, he's scared.
Tuck that. Drop that down. Good. Give me this hand. There we go. Give me another hand drop over here. Let that knee drop down. There it is. On your back. A little tender there on that right side. It's alright. I mean, a little more sensation. Rotate there. Over right in there.
Girls.
Let that relax. Woo! How did that feel? Alright, you might be a little lightheaded, that's normal.
No, I ain't lightheaded.
Good.
No.
You might feel a little taller too. So are you 5'11" or 5'10" now?
Before the combine, you've
I
been
know
6
they
foot.
would've gave me the 6
Right, we
foot,
should have done
man.
that. Yeah? Feels better?
Yeah, way better.
Tell me how'd that feel?
I feel like a new man.